landed at Cebu airport around 1 am, and since we only had one day to spend there before going to Siargao Island, we decided to go to Oslob to swim with the whale shark. This was the number one activity recommended in Cebu, and also something I wanted to do for a while. Oslob from Cebu is about 3.5 hour drive from Cebu city, so we had a driver pick us up at around 3:30 am, and after a long time, we finally arrived at the camp. The earlier you arrive, the better, as this way you won't have to wait much before jumping into the water and have the chance to swim with the whale sharks. After a quick breakfast with mango and sticky rice, with an amazing view, it was already time to jump in the water for us, so we didn't have to wait much at all. The experience is honestly breathtaking. Swimming with this majestic creature was something on my bucket list that I had for a long time. And overall, I'm glad that I had the chance to do this in Cebu. The whale sharks are not dangerous at all for humans, and they feed mainly on plankton and krills. Still, swimming next to them made me a little nervous at the beginning. After all, they are the largest fish in the world. Their size can reach an average of 10 meters, which is about 32 feet. As for the things you need to bring with you, just a swimsuit and a towel are fine. Everything else will be provided on the side, but make sure you have a change of clothing to go back. The experience is not that expensive. We paid like around $50 each, and that included breakfast, a car ride 3.5 hours each way from Cebu to the campsite, and the possibility to swim with the whale sharks. Overall, I think the experience is worth it, and definitely something to do if you're in Cebu for 1 or 2 days.